Hello all, we are Team India 3 and we are making a verification portal for verifying a person's demographic data and financial income. We are using the protocols of Polybase, the graph, push protocol, and we have deployed our smart contract in Optimism Go early. So basically, the main aim of our project is to verify the demographic data and financial income of a particular person. So there are two entities, one is registration manager and one is verifier. So registration manager is a government employee who has a power to add any demographic details or any income details of the person. So first government will add the registration manager. This is the smart contract in which government will add the registration manager. There are four owners who can only add the registration manager, and also he can check, the government can check the manager status of any registration manager, whether he's a manager or not. So first I will show you how it will work. Sorry, first I will show you how we are using the technologies. First, registration manager add data to the polybase, and he first for adding the data to the polybase, anyone can add the data. So first, what we are doing is we are verifying whether he is registration manager or not, and after verifying whether he is a registration manager or not, we are adding the data to the polybase. So this verification was done through smart contract, and the what here another entity is verifier. The verifier's work is to verify any particular data of a person, like name, UID, or the government, basically the government details like Aadhaar card in India or PAN card details in India, like that. So verifier will call a verify function which will present in the smart contract. I will tell why we are using smart contract here. So after calling the verify function in smart contract, there will be a event emitted in the smart contract, and that event will be taken care by graph node there. So what will happen here is, let's say if we direct without putting a verify function in the smart contract, we are directly calling the API call from the polybase. So what can happen? Anyone, if let's say any hacker X can know the API call, he can directly verify it. Right. So we have to add some cost function here, so that anyone should not verify the function. So that's why we are adding a smart contract here, which he have to pay some 0.01 ETH. After that, after paying that amount of ETH, he can verify it. So after verifying, what will happen here is we will double verify the details which the graph node is giving, and with the details which he is entering into the API call. After those two are matched, we will verify the data of the polybase with the given data of the verifier. So this is how our application works. So first I will show login. So first I will log in here, connect with MetaMask. So this is the dashboard for verifier. So let's say I am a registration manager. Let's say government added me as a registration manager. Then this is the registration manager. This is the account which belongs to a registration manager. So like this, it will. So registration manager can add demographic data or add financial income. Let's say I will add demographic data of the person. So I will add one demographic data, any UID, and the PIN associated with it. Name, let's say Vishnu, Hyderabad. And I will add it. It will take some time to add into the database, and data added to Polybase successfully. Now I will verify it. Let's say this is the verifier. So if a person needs to verify, he had some balance in his dashboard, like he have a 0.01 ETH. I can also add some amount of balance here. So after adding some balance, he can verify it. Let's say I will verify demographic data, the same details which I have given. See, there is a transaction happening here. see after entering my the details which I have entered here, it is successfully verified. So like this, you can also verify the demographic details and all the other details of the person.